Hello Cartwright team! Today we will be showing you how to install printers for your school's site. First go to the Start menu on the bottom left of your screen and type in Run, or press the Ctrl and R keys on your keyboard. In the Run prompt, type in // the number corresponding to your school, server 2. In this example, we will use Harris number 108. So it's // 108 server 2. If you would like, once the window appears, drag the small computer icon near the top left of the window to your desktop. That way, you have a shortcut to your school's printers on your desktop. To install a printer, double-click your preferred printer's icon. Once a new window appears, the printer has been installed. You have successfully installed the printer from your school onto your laptop. Happy printing!